Nestled in the heart of the Himalayas, Silent Mountain holds a secret. Its air is rich in negative ions. These invisible particles, found in abundance near waterfalls and mountains, have been shown to boost mood and energy levels. A study from Columbia University found that exposure to negative ions can significantly reduce symptoms of depression. Imagine a natural antidepressant free from side effects just by breathing in mountain air. This discovery is a reminder of nature's power to heal and rejuvenate. Next time you feel down, consider a hike to a place like Silent Mountain.